How to fix voice chat SDK in Mobile Legends. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your voice chat SDK in your Mobile Legends game. So first of all, just simply open your Mobile Legends mobile application, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged into your account, in order to fix your voice chat problem, just simply go to your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just see whether there is an update pending regarding your Mobile Legends games or not. And if there is any update pending, just go ahead and update your Mobile Legends first, and after that just come back to your Mobile Legends mobile game, and over here just go to the settings icon from the top right corner of your mobile screen, and the settings will open up for you. And after that, on the left hand side of the screen, you will be able to see a bunch of different options like basic, controls, interface, etc. Just simply click on the sounds from there, and over here just make sure that the main volume for the sound has been enabled. And after that you have different options like music, sound effect, hero voice, system notification, and other things. And just simply go ahead and adjust the voice for each and every voice of the person in the game. And once you do that, just simply come back to the home screen, and in the home screen just simply click on the classic button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here under the classic, when you about to create your lobby, you will be able to see the sound icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Just simply click on the sound tab, and after that just simply click on the first one, and the pop-up menu will show up which says that the voice chat function requires the corresponding permission to function properly. So basically you should have your microphone permission required and your nearby device permission for you to enable your voice chat properly. So just simply read all of that and just connect your and after that just simply connect your voice or your microphone to your Mobile Legends games. And similarly you also have this voice icon right here. So the speaker icon you can enable or disable as per your like. And once you do that, your voice chat problem should be fixed. So this is basically how you will be able to fix your voice chat SDK in Mobile Legends. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.